Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, it hasn't been quite a while since I've been riding up to Lower State Road on my bike. For this one, back in August of 16th of 2020, I filmed 2516 that came from Wilmington, Delaware. So now, the reason why I came here is a couple months ago, the schedule has changed a bit. And for this one, what I'm about to see is SEPTA Regional Rail Line number 6516 from Center City, operated as the Doylestown local. And with that, I just found another set of Silverliner 5s. So it has approached New Britain Park and Ride Station, so it should be approaching Delaware Valley University very soon. So it should be here in just about a few minutes from now. I can hear it. It is approaching Delaware Valley University right now.
Warning, a train is approaching.
Here we go.
Please do not cross the track.
Right now coming through is SEPTA Regional Rail Line 6516 with the Silverliner 5s.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing.
849, 850, 819, and 820.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
Wowee, that horn blast was awesome. Well, very nice.